Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to borrow money from Affirm in 2025. If you're looking for a straightforward way to finance purchases or get some quick cash without the hassle of traditional loans, Affirm might be your go-to option. First off, what's Affirm? It's a fintech company that offers flexible loans and buy now pay later plans with clear, upfront terms, no hidden fees or surprises. With updates in 2025, like improved app features and faster approvals, it's easier than ever to get started. Let me walk you through the steps. Step 1. Download the Affirm app from your phone's app store or head to their website. It's user-friendly and secure. Once you're there, Step 2. Create an account. You'll need to provide some basic info like your name, email, and maybe link your bank account for verification. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. Next, Step 3. Check your eligibility. Affirm uses soft credit checks, so it won't hurt your score. Enter the amount you want to borrow, and they'll let you know if you qualify. In 2025, they've made this even faster with AI-driven decisions. If you're approved, Step 4. Choose your loan terms. You can select from various repayment plans, like 3, 6, or 12 months, with fixed interest rates that are often lower than credit cards. Once approved, Step 5. Use your funds. You can apply this to online purchases at partnered stores or even get the money deposited directly into your account. Finally, make sure to repay on time. Affirm reports to credit bureaus, which can help build your credit score. A quick tip: always borrow only what you can afford, and double-check the APR to avoid any interest buildup. There you have it. That's how to borrow money from Affirm in 2025. It's a smart, modern way to manage your finances. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.